And let's assume that the builder has some systems in place. There's still some challenges, schedule communication and inaccuracy, and there's labor constraint. If I am building a home and I have a lot of people that are involved to help me build the home, I can give them a piece of paper, I can call them on the phone, but really I may not get it right. There may be changes. These are all very time dominant type of scenarios where if we get them wrong, we can really deliver the wrong thing. If we have a software solution in place, one of those products, the name of the product is Bolt. If we can get that in a digital environment, now you've eliminated paper, you've eliminated giving information out that is incorrect. You can make changes on a dime. That's going to give you communication access across jobs instantly, in real time. We have hundreds on the Bolt platform and about 15,000 on the builder portal communicating with our builder platform.
Wow.